Hello everyone, my name is Khaoula Trad from the Center of the Study of Manuscript Cultures at the University of Hamburg. Today I'm more than happy to share with you my thoughts and my experience about the online course on Islamic Paper. I enjoyed every single moment. I learned a lot. The material course was really diverse and very rich. Amelie was so passionate and so patient with us. I learned so many new things that changed completely my thoughts about paper and how paper could be palimpsested. It will help me a lot in my own project that deals with palimpsesting techniques in West African manuscripts. Therefore, I thank Emily and Ahmed so much for this opportunity, and I'm really looking forward to meeting you again. Bye-bye.